welcome to another episode of Dimensh Presents The Nation Wants to Guess. Huge round of applause to you guys. Yes, we are India's most unserious comedy quiz show where the right answer gets plus 10 and applause break gets plus 20. Show us the applause break. Smart audience. Our first panelist is a very talented comedian who has a very special connection with our chief intern, Aman Jotwani. Give it up for Chirag Panjwani. Guys, they are both Sindhi. That's the special connection. Same ethnic background. All right. Our next panelist is also a talented comedian who has a very special connection with our chief intern, Aman Jotwani. Give it up for Shamik Chakrabarti. Yes, Shamik and him were roommates, guys. Shamik, the special connection.
Very special.
And our final panelist is also a talented comedian who has a special connection with Chief Intern Aman Jotwani. Please give it up for Shrija Chaturvedi! Yes, this episode is a battle between the Sindhis, the wives, and the roommates.
One second. Shamik was flatmate. I am roommate. Very important to clarify that. ठीक है, बताओ.
Yeah, that's what he told you, Shrija.
बता तू same room में नहीं रहता था अमन, उनको बता.
We use one room for recreation.
मैं भी बता दूं, I was mistress.
Guys, today's episode is sponsored by Dimensh. The most comfortable men's innerwear. Dimensh is a German word that means the man. Not to be confused with a man, which is Hindi for chief intern who must be disrespected.
And Khamba is Punjabi for someone who has more FIRs than friends. बीवी के सामने पंगा नहीं भाई.
Wow. Even Shrija is impressed कि इतना masculinity तो घर पे नहीं दिखा रहा है. Wow, very nice.
was so
All right.
hot, yeah.
All right.
मेरा एक थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है. मेरी जीके बहुत खराब है, ठीक है?
Okay.
और मैं देखा है बहुत जीके के अराउंड क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, तो मैं आज पढ़ के आ गया हूँ, बट मैं सिर्फ आज ही की न्यूज़ पढ़ पाया हूँ. तो अगर उसके अराउंड कुछ
क्वेश्चंस
कर सकते
हम
हैं
पूछ
तो.
सकते हैं. आपको कोई अच्छा, आप चिट्स निकाल के लाए हो?
मैं अपने नोट्स रिवाइज कर लूँ.
आप बताओ. आप बताना चाहेंगे?
चल, मैं पूछूं?
नहीं, मैं ही बता सकता हूँ जो पूछना है.
चल, ठीक है, हाँ.
हाँ, बताए.
CBSE Class 10th results have been released on 16th April. इसके
अराउंड कुछ नहीं है. It's but good attempt. Or a very promising note, we have started round 1.
Sorry, Khamba, I have one thing
Yes.
to add. I feel like this is the only forum to share this information. I have more than a special connection with Aman.
Why?
I have a special connection with Aman that involves Dimensh. Now hear me out.
Disgusting.
Basically, I did some brand work with this brand, which I'm very much respect and very comforting brand. And they gifted me so many underwears that I've given about half of them to my flatmate at the time. And we are both right now, right?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Most comfortable.
Always.
You're both very comfortable?
Yeah, we're in Dimensh right now.
Wow. On that note,
Yes.
no, you don't need to show us. You don't need to show us. हाँ, yes.
एक लास्ट कंसर्न
हाँ,
है,
हाँ.
मेरा गलती से अभी अमन का लैपटॉप देख लिया था जिसमें प्ले आउट लिखा हुआ था और एंड में लिखा हुआ था और एंड में अमन की औरत जीतेगी.
Yes.
तो क्या गलत है उसमें भाई?
यही तो प्रॉब्लम है
सकता है
भाई, यही प्रॉब्लम है.
क्या हो गया है
ठीक है.
भाई? एक औरत कब जीतेगी इस कंट्री में? कब जीतेगी एक औरत?
Literally, the only person of the three of us who has won this show before.
बात ये, जीतने के लिए हम भी अमन की औरत बन सकते हैं, ठीक है?
Vacancy is closed.
Very different kind of show. Let us move on. I guys ready to play round one?
Yes, yes.
All right, huge round of applause for round one.
Round 1 is a buzzer round called True Story, where each question is based on an actual news article. Let's play.
All right, question number one for you guys. Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first Prime Minister, and the reason for all of India's current problems, wrote a letter to his father that has gone viral. Written when he was studying in England, the letter discussed a very important subject matter. What important subject matter did he discuss with Motilal Nehru, his dad? Option A, I'm worried about the East India Company. Option B, I have a great idea for a jacket. Option C, I'm thinking I'm losing my hair. Option D, हमारी स्पाइसेस चुरा ली बहनचोद, अपने खाने में क्यों नहीं डालते? ऑप्शन ई, कोई एडवीना नाम की बंदी मेरे पे डोरे डाल रही है. और ऑप्शन एफ, बम स्प्रे की बहुत याद आ रही है. What of these did he talk about to his father? Yes, चिराग.
ये तो थोड़ा 16 से पहले का वो लग रहा है.
Yeah, yeah.
But as somebody who discusses this very frequently with his dad, I think it is C, I think I'm losing my hair. क्योंकि उन्होंने ये बोला होगा कि यहाँ का पानी शायद मुझे सूट नहीं कर रहा है.
अच्छा, तो यू थिंक दैट उस टाइम पे जब लेटर लिखना इतना महंगा था और एक 45 दिन लग जाते थे इंग्लैंड से इंडिया लेटर आने में, कि मोतीलाल नेहरू ने चिट्ठी खोली और उस पे लिखा हुआ है कि हेलो पापा, आई थिंक आई एम लूजिंग माई हेयर, लव जवाहर.
भाई अगर देखो गलत है तो आप टॉन्ट मत मारो मेरे को ऐसा, ठीक है? सीधे मैंने आपको बोला था अगर आपको सही आंसर चाहिए तो इससे पूछ लो. है
Anybody else want to take a guess?
B, I have a great idea for a jacket. I feel like this is something that requires immediate communication to your father. वरना मतलब फिर वही जैकेट किसी और के नाम से फिर फेमस हो जाए, जो कि अब हो रही है.
Can you?
नहीं, we must have foreseen that यार.
भाई अगर इसकी डांट नहीं लगाई ना आपने तो फिर देखता हूँ मैं.
क्या है ये?
So Shrija, you're saying
Yes.
कि जवाहरलाल नेहरू जब वहाँ 45 दिन लगता है इंडिया लेटर आने में, तो he wrote a letter saying, hey Motilal, I think I have a great idea for a jacket which is actually useless in the British weather.
तो ये ऑप्शन देते वक्त ही आपको ऐसे बताना चाहिए था ना यार, तो मैं नहीं देती आंसर. अब आपने मुझे ठीक से समझाया है तो मुझे लग रहा है मेरा आंसर गलत है.
ए, आई एम वरीड अबाउट दिस ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी. बोल रही हूँ ये क्या ये सपन सौरभ पंत बेंचो करे जा रहे हैं.
Chirag was actually right.
अबे क्या?
I think I'm losing my hair. Yes. For someone who said मेरी जीके खराब है.
जब मैंने शुरू में ही सही बोल दिया था तो आपने इतना नीचा क्यों दिखाया मेरे को? हैं? सिर्फ
Yes.
गेम चलता रहा इसीलिए.
ओए,
They don't want us to get the right answers.
why did you let us make fools of ourselves?
Sorry, I apologize. Maybe that's why ये letter तो मैं पढ़ नहीं पा रहा हूँ. Nehru wrote, "The state of my head has certainly not improved lately. I think it is a little worse. I have been to the specialist twice." देखो, back in the day. इस तरह की open communication with your father, shocking in India. Absolutely shocking. Look at this now. The amount of time and money I have spent on it might have been utilized in a much better manner. From your loving son Jawahar. Very
मेरी
ironic.
जी के अगेन वीक है. वो उन्होंने जवाहर पे एस्ट्रिक्स क्यों डाला? ये सब्जेक्ट तो कुछ वो है, कंडीशन.
नहीं नहीं एस्ट्रिक्स नहीं है वो है apostrophe है वो हमें दिख नहीं रहा टीवी पे.
फ्रॉम योर सन जवाहर ऐसा.
I heard at the time Nehru used to do side partition, which is reflecting the future. That would eventually show us.
Let's go to question number 2.
Yes.
Let's go to
Yes.
question number 2, guys. All right. A camel beauty pageant in Oman was recently hit by a major scandal because of which 20 camels had to be disqualified. What was the scandal because of which camels were disqualified? This is a multiple choice question.
Thank God.
Option A. The camels came to Oman on illegal visas. Option B. Their scandalous past of ferrying children in Pushkar came to light. Option C. They used Botox for beauty enhancement. Option D. They wore bikinis in a burqa round. It's in Oman. Or option E. They refused to call Mother Teresa their inspiration in the Q&A round. Which of these is the right answer? You can press the buzzer. Yes, Shrija.
I think our real answer इसमें लिखा नहीं हुआ है. I think camels were disqualified because they were dehydrated. Thank you.
Hey, hello. ये क्या है? You were saying उनका dehydration के कारण 2 humps से 1 हो गया.
Yeah. Yes, that's exactly. 2 हमसे 1 हम
But
हो
that's a
गया.
misconception. उनका पानी नहीं रहता उधर.
क्या रहता है वहाँ?
वो पकड़ने का एरिया.
वो तो उनका पेट्रोल टैंक है.
हैंडल
फ्यूल भरते हैं उधर से. Am I right?
उस पे गाना भी है, my humps
हम दिल दे चुके सनम हो गया.
Wow, यार. Have some self-respect, guys.
They used Botox for beauty enhancement क्योंकि मैंने उनका लिप देखा है थोड़ा वो. It looks a little enhanced.
Chirag getting the right answer. Yes. Chirag answered first. Yes, Saudi and Oman में दोनों में ही हुआ है.
What?
Yeah, Saudi में भी हुआ है, ये ओमान में भी हुआ है. More than 40 camels in Saudi were also disqualified for receiving Botox injections and other cosmetic
Keep it
injections.
It's so
Wait,
obvious
wait.
that it's sea now that I think of it, because sea. What do you have in the sea?
Camel.
No. Ships. And camel is the ship of the. Come on, guys.
मेरे को नहीं समझा.
Really
क्या?
powered through. Really powered through on that one. Really.
Camel is the
I
ship
got
of
enough.
the-
I got enough.
No, this is nice. No,
Hey,
we are not
man.
going to. He really powered through for that. नहीं होएगा. Let us move to question number 3. Let's go. Madhya Pradesh, the location of every Rajkumar Rao film, is a state that boasts of cultural sites like the Khajuraho Temple, Sanchi Stupa, and Munawar Farooqi's first prison. Along with being in central India, it is also central to some insane news stories. Which of the following stories is not a real news story straight out of Madhya Pradesh? All right.
man.
Option A. Village bans abusive language, declares 500 rupee fine for giving gali. Option B. Man complains to Home Minister for alcohol not having enough kick. Option C. Woman files case against father for beating her in Ludo. Option D. Man learns printing as vocational skill in jail to come out and start printing fake notes. Option E. Thieves who came to rob couple give them 100 rupees after finding out they just had 20. Or option F. Family names dog Sharma ji to spite neighbor. Which of the following news stories did not happen in Madhya Pradesh?
एक ही झूठ है, बाकी सब हुआ
हाँ,
है.
बाकी सब correct है.
Can I get some points for letting you know one of these which is true for sure?
Oh, no,
No.
but you can tell us.
ऐसे तो मेरे को भी बहुत सारी सच बातें बताए बेटे. बोल. तू अपना बोल, फिर मैं बताऊंगा. तू अपना बोल.
मैं अपने दोस्तों की गॉसिप दे सकती हूँ फिर इधर बैठ के. उसके पॉइंट दे दो भाई मुझे.
Yes, Shamik.
Sorry, I don't want to answer the question.
अबे तो
I just forgot I had to address this. This is a genuine concern. Anyone has an LPG contact?
What the fuck?
Genuine
The
problem.
fuck is this?
I'm
Why are
out.
you laughing at this shit?
I'm out. I thought this is a good forum to check. I'm out of LPG, guys. I need it. Today I ran out.
Please don't give him points.
Please give me some points, bhai. Or give me LPG at least.
भाई मेरे पास कोई कांटेक्ट नहीं है, बट मैं तेरे को टाइगर श्रॉफ के मैनेजर का नंबर दे सकता हूँ. अगर उनको शर्मा जी को नीचे दिखाना होता तो सिर्फ शर्मा कुत्ते ऐसा रखते नाम उसका. टू स्पाइट द नेबर जी नहीं लगाते तो.
Srija, do you want to take a guess?
लाइफलाइन यूज करना चाहूंगी. फोना हस्बैंड.
Yes. Sorry, मैं अभी शो पे बिजी हूँ.
Wow. Husband has said fuck off. Wow.
एक शो के लिए अपनी पूरी मैरिज दाव पे लगा दिया है. वाह, क्या हो गया है आजकल. ठीक है, मुझे लगता है कि रियल न्यूज स्टोरी नहीं है. अ विलेज बैन्स अब्यूजिव लैंग्वेज, डिक्लेयर ₹500 फाइन फॉर गाली. ये रियल नहीं है. मतलब क्योंकि गाली तो हमारी मातृभाषा है.
If we can have clean comedy, why not clean villages?
I like
Fine.
the idea of a village which is clean only in the abuse angle. It's like there are dustbins which say "idhar phek banchod." It's the opposite.
The right answer is Chirag. It's
Arey
actually
yaar.
the family. Wrong. What?
That is not the right answer.
That's not the right answer. It's in my cue card. It's in my cue card. It's in my cue card.
It's the wrong cue card.
Oh, fuck.
यही था पोर्शन रिग्ड. यही देखना, यही रिग्ड
Let's do
पोर्शन
it
था.
again. It's okay. Let's do it.
Okay. Which is the right answer, motherfucker? Tell me then.
श्रीजा का निकलेगा पक्का राइट
कान में
आंसर.
बोल दे. Whoa.
भाई मैं तो उनके कान में भी नहीं बोल पाऊंगा.
I did not one is really here.
एक बार फिर प्रीवियस वाले भी सारे बताकर आ जाए यार. क्या पता सारे इसके गलत हो यार.
Sorry.
गॉड यार, दिस इज रिडिकुलस यार.
I heard. What if actually इस एपिसोड का स्पॉन्सर जॉकी है, dude? सब कुछ गलत है भाई.
-20.
Hey.
Let me clarify. All your answers are still wrong.
हम कैसे मान ले भाई? I can trust nothing anymore यार.
Guys,
Trust me, yaar.
guys,
Trust you, okay.
nothing is real. Nothing is real so far. Even this, what you're seeing right now, this is my actual height. Do you understand? What the fuck? It lowered me.
Guys, they are wrong in the descending order. The right answer is actually E. Thieves who came to rob couple gives 100 rupees. That actually happened in Delhi and not in Madhya Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh, abuse-free village, fine or 1 hour of cleaning for breaking the rules. And even in the MP complaining to the Home Minister about adulterated drink. Indore man named his dog Sharma Ji to mock neighbor with the same surname. This has also happened in Indore. When father cheats in Ludo game, daughter approaches court. She lost trust in her father is what she complained.
आप सबने इतनी न्यूज़ शेयर करी, एक मैं भी शेयर करूं. IMD issues heat wave alert for northwest and central southern India on 16th April.
इसके +20 की दे रही है.
अरे पागल है क्या?
हाँ. Good.
Adda
नहीं,
bhai.
it is good for all of us to be informed. It's a trivia show. All right, so let's go to question number 4.
Okay.
PM Modi recently traveled to the Bandipur Tiger Reserve to take part in an event marking 50 years of Project Tiger. However, despite trying for 2 hours, he did not see a tiger. How did the Bandipur Tiger Reserve director justify this incident? Multiple options here. Option A, tiger got scared away by security. Option B, tigers didn't want to be hugged by Modi ji. Option C, जब शेर आया तो टाइगर तो डर के भागेगा.
Hell yeah.
Tiger was asking too many questions. That is exactly the scream that comes out of a prison. Option E, Tiger was busy having affair with ISI agent Katrina Kaif. ऑप्शन एफ, टाइगर गायब नहीं हुए, हमारी देखने की शक्ति कम हो गई. एंड लास्ट, मोदी जी क्या कभी कभी तो जैकी श्रॉफ को भी टाइगर नहीं दिखता. विच ऑफ दीज इज द राइट आंसर? यस चिराग.
आई थिंक ए, टाइगर गॉट स्कैर्ड अवे बाय सिक्योरिटी, क्योंकि उन्होंने सब बोला हो कि एंट्री करके जाना है अंदर.
Correct.
या टाइगर के पास माई गेट का कोड नहीं होएगा. और भगा दिया.
मोदी जी के पास Z कैटेगरी सिक्योरिटी था तो सिर्फ ज़ीब्रा दिखे उन्हें. Let's go. Elevating the humor. I'll go with C. जब शेर आए, like they try to appease Modi by saying you the real tiger over here. Yeah, that sounds like something we do in this current climate.
मुझे
Summer, I mean in summer. This is how it is here.
मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है कि ए आंसर है, बट वो बोला सी की तरह गया होगा.
भाई मैं राइटर से क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता हूँ?
हाँ जी पूछिए.
नहीं.
अमन, तेरी औरत क्या बोले जा रही था?
Hey, सब सही बोल रही है. सब सही बोल रही है. तू फ्लाइट लेके दिल्ली चला जाएगा, मुझे घर जाना है भाई.
एक रूम खाली है मेरा. Let's go. डामेंश लेके आना बस प्लीज.
चिराग got the right answer.
It's the only possible answer.
Very fun story. I'll tell you what happened. After Modi ji could not spot the tiger, it has now emerged that a blame game has emerged, which is between the members of the PM security staff, the Special Protection Group, the local police, and the anti-Naxal force. And with that, we have come to the end of round one. All right. All right, at the end of round one, Aman Jotwani, without any bias, what are the scores?
For a change, Shamik is lowest in the room with 100.
Oh, no.
Shrija is next with 120.
Oh, not bad.
And Chirag is at 210.
गलत भाई ये.
For someone with zero GK.
Yeah, bloody nonsense.
Absolutely stunning performance.
कितनी ओछी हरकत की है इसने. ऐसी कितनी, मतलब इस उम्र में भी आदमी ये सब कर रहा है. ऐसे
Front bencher
बचकानी बातें
behavior
यार,
यार.
मतलब छी.
तेरे को मैं जवाब देता, पर मैं लेडीज से डरता हूँ, ठीक है? इसलिए कुछ बोल नहीं पा रहा हूँ.
What do you call an animal reserve where there are only female animals? Bandipur. Am I right? Three animal jokes. Three. Thank you.
You know what is worse? The Z zebra.
Sorry.
Yes, Chirag, yes.
राइटर से कुछ बोल सकते हैं?
हाँ.
क्यों भाई, तू बार बार उधर क्या बात करता रहता है यार. छोड़ दे भाई उसको, ये कुछ शादीशुदा है, फिर भी बार बार उधर नजर डाल रहा है. इधर बात कर.
This is like पत्नी पति और वो. Double वो. और वो भी.
Is there a change in the scores?
Yes, now Shamik and Shrija are tied at 140.
God damn it.
And
All
Chirag,
right.
and Chirag is still at 210.
Chirag still at 210, still leading. All right, फटने के बाद भी. Now, at the
यही
end of
होता है
round,
गाइस, हनीमून फेज इज ओवर.
That's right.
क्रेजी है, देखो 2 महीने हुए शादी को ऑलरेडी
Yeah.
इस टाइप के मुझे टाई करवा दिया.
Yeah.
अच्छा खासा सेकंड चल
You know
रही
what?
थी
You are
मैं.
now a flatmate. Welcome. Welcome to my life.
My hands are tied, yaar.
what the fuck, guys? Are we adding 20 for that?
Yeah, come on. Are you kidding me? Somebody fainted over there.
क्या हो गया, guys? All
Shrija
right.
is at 140, Shamik is at 160, and Chirag is at 210.
All right, it is a race to the bottom right now. Before we move to round 2, are you guys ready to play the audience round? All right? Let us show the audience our audience round question. All right. Iran's consulate in Mumbai recently tweeted a response to the US naval blockade of the Strait of Hormuz using a Bollywood dialogue. Which Bollywood dialogue did they use? Option A. Picture abhi baki hai mere dost. Option B. Hormuz ko pakadna मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है. Option C. घायल हूं इसलिए घातक हूं. और ऑप्शन डी, आज ब्लू है पानी पानी और दिन है सनी सनी. Which of these is the answer? All right, there are a bunch of hands there. All right, let's go here. What's your name, sir?
Yeah, my name is Rishabh.
Hi, Rishabh. What do you think is the right answer?
I think the answer is option A. Picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
That is the right answer, Rishabh. Yes. Come on stage. All right, Rishabh, I have a question for you. Which of these 3 panelists would you like to play for?
Chirag.
क्यों भाई?
Why would you like to play for Chirag?
I'm just wishing for a -100.
Wow, you don't give a fuck about Chirag. Wow. Wow, terrible. All right. Fine. Now, Rishabh, you have to pick one of the 3 boxes for people in the audience. One box has positive points, the second box has negative points, and the third box has money, which will go to Rishabh, not the panelists. All right? Now, Rishabh, which of the boxes would you like to pick?
The one on the left.
All right,
क्या
the
बात
leftmost
है?
box towards Rohan?
Yeah.
All right, he would like to pick, he would like to pick the leftmost box.
Aman, do the move.
Oh, I hope someone remembers.
Aman Jotwani also used to work in a circus before this.
Used to?
Which box would you like to go with now?
The one on the right.
The one on the right, this extreme right?
Yeah.
All right. Aman, let us show Chirag and the audience what is there in the box on the right. कुछ नहीं कर रहा है.
Sorry.
ऋषभ वापस जा तू प्लीज.
ऋषभ,
मनुष्यत फैला दी
हाथें
इधर.
चौड़ी करके आराम से बैठ जाइए, कंफर्टेबल होके, क्योंकि डामेंश का शो है.
All right, thank you very much, Rishabh. You have won Dimensh currency worth 5,100 rupees, which you can redeem from the Dimensh website and get all your innerwear from Dimensh. Thank you very much for affecting the game. Thank you.
Shit यार.
All right.
Sorry, I had a
Yes.
point on. Can we see the question options for the previous question once?
ओके, कोई जोक रह गया?
हाँ, joke तो सोच रहा था. We'll give it an attempt.
Okay.
Now there's too much pressure. It's gonna bomb. It's gonna bomb, guys.
मैं एक पहले करके वार्म अप कर देता हूँ, फिर तू अपना कर दियो.
कर ले.
ठीक है. एक इसमें ऑप्शन मिसिंग है. ई ईरानी आ गए ओए, वो नहीं है इसमें.
अब तो बेंच ज्यादा प्रेशर है.
नहीं, अरे
किल करके कौन देता है भाई? बॉम्ब होना था. I was just sorry. I'll go for it. Fuck it. Option D is technically wrong because it's आज blue है पानी 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 and you have just put 2 over there. Which in my opinion is not peak detailing. That's what I'm gonna say.
भाई एक्चुअली तो ये ऑप्शन होना चाहिए आज ब्लू है पानी 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 और हमें ईरानी रानी 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 और फिर नीचे
Giving them points for this?
We have to.
Okay.
Clapping, we
How
have
the
to.
tables have turned. All right. What is the score tally now, Aman?
Before I say the score, I just want to say I love you, Shrija. But you are at 160.
Prove it, Aman. Prove it right now.
You are at 160. At the bottom at 160. Shamik is next at 200. And Chirag, my Sindhi brother, is at 370.
My Sindhi brother खत्म भाई.
हिंदी ब्रदर बोल दिया भाई इधर
भाई वो तुमसे क्या
रिश्तेदारी निभा रहा है इधर बैठकर.
On that note, let us go to round 2. Are you excited to play round 2?
Round 2 is called Pick Me Behavior. Each contestant gets to pick a category on which they'll be asked a question. Let's play.
Let us show you the categories of this round 2. Categories are True Caller, That 70s Show, Stand-Up Comedy, Tiger Shroff, White Woman, No Country for Old Men, Star of David, Tukde Tukde Gang, and Do Not Pick. These are your 9 categories. Chirag,
Classic.
since you were in the lead, which category would you like to pick?
I'm feeling a little rebellious so do not pick.
Oh shit.
All right, Chirag has picked Do Not Pick. Let's go to Do Not Pick.
Nick, you have to pick the right arrow, no doubt. There is only one option.
Yeah, so my answer is oh sorry camera पे ना
I am lost. Would you like to go? Would you
Forward.
like to go ahead or would you like to go back?
जा जा भाई कर कर
I will go ahead. I will go ahead.
You want to go ahead?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. पहले तो स्वच्छ भारत अभियान का बेसिक करते हुए तो यहाँ पे वापस उठाओ आप प्लीज वेरी गुड ऑल राइट चिराग हैज डिसाइडेड टू गो अहेड लेट्स क्लिक
Go for
Go
it,
ahead,
यार.
go ahead.
Literally the last 3 general elections in 3 slides.
Would you like to go ahead or would you like to go back?
I will go ahead.
एक माइनस तो बनता है थोड़ा सा.
Please.
देख ले
कर ले भाई कर ले.
Chirag has decided to move ahead. Plus 50! Yes! Yes, this is what we need in our youth. Forward looking, not looking back. Yes.
I think
Very good.
I think मोदी जी को आज टाइगर दिख गया.
Very good.
भाई जब भी मेरे पॉइंट कम हो मैं बार बार ये आके कैटेगरी पिक कर सकता हूँ.
Now it is Shamik's turn. Shamik, which category would you like to pick?
Let's go with Tukde Tukde Gang.
Of course, a Bengali goes for Tukde Tukde Gang.
Sorry, that's what I call my friend circle when we order pizza.
All right, Shamik has chosen Tukre Tukre Gang. Lord Mountbatten, the last Viceroy of India responsible for the partition, aka Tukre Tukre. Before deciding to divide the country into India and Pakistan, what was Lord Mountbatten's original plan? Option A,
नेहरू के
Bakkad
बाल
Bakkad
काट-
Bombay Bo. Option B, divide the country into 10 Premier League teams. Option C, divide the country into 500 plus provinces. Option D, divide the country into fans of SRK, Salman and Amir. Option E, divide the country into people who use earphones and those who don't. What was Lord Mountbatten's original plan?
देख डी तो नहीं होगा क्योंकि डी तो उसने यही सोचा होगा कि छोटे टुकड़े में इन तीनों को भेज देंगे.
हाँ. उन लोग जब घर जा रहे थे they were using boat headphones. Sorry guys. Sorry.
तब के जमाने में सब बोस यूज करते थे.
It's like oh no मेरे headphones खो गए.
All right, I think
C. I say
C.
option 3.
that is the right answer. Yes. Divide the country into 500 plus provinces. That was Mountbatten's original plan. All right, Shrija, your turn to pick a category. Which category would you like to go with?
I would like to go for that 70s show.
All right.
Yes.
Very iconic show. That 70s show
Yes.
which I've gone with. The Emergency was the biggest show of power in 1970s.
Sorry.
No, say.
Sorry, but when you said the emergency by mistake, I did this.
The Emergency was the biggest show of power in the 70s. Which of the following did not happen during the emergency? Option A, using government machinery to intimidate opposition leaders, censor the media from criticizing the government, putting students and protesters in jail, tighten control over artists by changing censorship laws.
भाई थैंक गॉड ये सब आजकल नहीं होता है.
That's right.
Or option E, forcing actors to lip sync Indra Hai to India Hai. Which of these did not happen in the 1970s?
मुझे लगता है कि जो नहीं हुआ होगा during emergency in 1970s, which
भाई
was the biggest
उन्होंने ना
show of
अल्फाबेट
power.
इसीलिए दिए हैं ताकि ये सब इतना लंबा नहीं बोलना पड़े.
हाँ. तूने ऑब्जेक्टिव टेस्ट को सब्जेक्टिव बना दिया इधर.
कैसे सक्सेस इसके सर पे चढ़ी गई है. देख लीजिए आप कैसे तेवर बदल गए हैं इसके. इसके पहले ऐसे हमसे ऐसे बात करती कि ओए मतलब ये मतलब ऐसे टाइप की बात कर रहा था ये. और अब देखो ऐसे ओए चूतिया औरत चुप बैठ ऐसे को बोल रहा है भाई. आई रिस्पेक्ट इट. I would do the same, honestly.
I think it's C because putting students in jail is correct in a when there's an emergency and you're still studying. Like what kind of nerd? What kind of nerd are you, bhai? Put them in jail, bhai. As a former nerd, I can.
I think कि it's E, forcing actors lip sync to Indra है तो India है. I think ये नहीं हुआ होगा.
That is the right answer, Shrija. Yes.
Shame on you. राइट आंसर पे ये लोग ताली नहीं बजाते कि क्या बोर कर रही है यार. राइट आंसर क्या दे रही है इधर खड़े होके.
थोड़ा रॉन्ग करो ना यार.
थोड़ा
मजा आ
रॉन्ग
रहा है.
करो यार. थोड़ा अपना थोड़ा गांड मरवा लो यार. मजा आ जाएगा थोड़ा हमको भी यार.
Wow. Shrija getting unhinged.
मैं 2 गालीज दे दिया यार. 1000 रुपीज हो गया मेरा तो.
MP शो के प्राइस बढ़ गए सडनली.
All right, your turn, Chirag. Back to you. I think your turn to pick a category.
True caller.
Chirag has gone with true caller. Lawrence Bishnoi. And other leading gangsters are trying to increase their portfolio.
अबे यार
Which unique and unlikely business model have these future unicorns cracked? Option A, shooting outside cafes. Option B, forcing musicians to upload videos on their YouTube channels. Option C, starting their own OnlyFans accounts. Option D, human trafficking under the guise of backup Bhangra dancers. Or option E, IELTS coaching centers. Which of these is a business model adopted by gangsters?
इसमें एक ऑप्शन F missing.
Yes, that is a very traditional business model.
ये मजाक का टाइम तो नहीं है.
Yes.
अगर कोई मजाक होने वाला है तो मैं चाहूंगी मेरा फेस ब्लर कर दिया जाए यहाँ पे.
Because they can't rewind and find out who's that girl in that position. In that moment, she was blur. Who could she be?
Shrija, we can send you to the Bandipur Tiger Reserve where you can remain hidden.
Seeing musicians to upload videos on their YouTube channel, मतलब musician के खुद के YouTube channel
नहीं, गैंगस्टर के YouTube चैनल.
गैंगस्टर के YouTube चैनल, तो वो तो प्लेटफॉर्म ही दे रहे हैं, तो अच्छी बात है यार. ये तो बहुत स्वीट है यार.
Collab.
इसमें मुझे
Would you like to put your stand-up on gangsters' YouTube channels?
तू अपना आंसर दे.
Can I?
Yes, go for it.
I think it's forcing musicians to upload videos on their YouTube channels because, yeah.
You think that gangsters are calling musicians and saying, "Hey man,
ये सही आंसर होगा. देख नीचे दिखा रहा है.
That's the right answer, yes! Yes! It is a genius marketing revenue distribution move. Gangsters are telling musicians to upload their music on the gangsters' YouTube channels so that they can keep making money off
Oh,
YouTube
shit.
revenue.
तो इसलिए
songs.
अरिजीत ने छोड़ दिया क्या? I don't know what I'm
Please,
saying anymore.
मेरे को और नहीं बोलना है भाई. मेरा माइक ऑफ कर दो भाई. Somebody fucking fix this mic.
Let's move on to the next
Yes,
category.
yes.
I think, Shamik, it's your turn to pick.
No one's picked stand-up comedy, right? So
All right. Shamik has gone with stand-up comedy. Quotes. Apart from being Kunal Kamra's habitat,
H बनाते इधर H ऐसे डाल ना
are
बीच में.
also a place where we see many trials. Which of the following is the greatest trial in history? Option A, Akshay Kumar's trial in Aetraz. Option B, Akshay Kumar's trial in Rustom. Option C, Akshay Kumar's trial in Kesari 2. Option D, Akshay Kumar's trial in Oh My God 1 and 2. Option E, Akshay Kumar's trial in Jolly LLB 2 and 3. Or option F, damage-free 30-day trial for premium innerwear for men. 30-day free trial. Order now.
I mean, it's definitely not F because Akshay is a Lux cozy guy, I think. Blur it. Blur कर दे.
He's not a Lux cozy guy, he's Padman.
Nice. Respect.
भाई ए सोच समझ के आंसर करियो. अगर गलत निकलेगा तो खंबा चिल्लाएगा शट अप यू बिच.
Yeah.
Are you saying, Khamba, that there is a trial in all of these films? For sure.
अमन अपनी दूसरी औरत को संभाल ले।
अगर मैं दूसरे
Which of these is
Yes.
the greatest trial in history?
I stopped watching after Mohra actually. तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त पे.
Which is what we also say about.
F, मुझे लगता है
It's option F, dumb and street.
100% the best trial out there, better than Mohra. Yes.
बट ये हिस्ट्री कहाँ हुआ, ये तो प्रेजेंट है और फ्यूचर भी रहेगा हमारा।
प्लीज यार, पैसे उनको मिल रहे हैं श्रीजा. हैव सम सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट यार. मेन लिखा है, वुमेन भी नहीं लिखा है उसमें.
All right, let us go. Shrija, your turn to pick a category.
I would like to go for No Country for Old Men, my
All right.
favorite movie.
Wow, all right. Shrija's favorite movie.
Only if that was the original title of Jab We Met.
Shrija has picked No Country for Old Men. LK Advani. No relation to Kiara Advani. Was one of the architects of the BJP as it stands today. Question. However, before that, what was LK Advani's profession in the 1960s? Multiple options. Option A, professional Rath driver. Option B, professional film critic. Option C, professional PM wannabe. Option D, professional building demolition expert. Option E, amateur hair model. Or option F, lead actor of R.K. Lakshman's Common Man biopic. Which of these was L.K. Advani's profession in the 1960s?
मुझे लगता है in 1960s LK Advani जो है बताती हूँ
भाई
मैं।
तो स्क्रीन पे जाके छू सकती है आंसर, सिंपल सा.
उसमें टाइम लगेगा ना। ये बातें कर रहे हैं भाई, इधर टाइम वेस्ट करने नहीं आई हूँ मैं। मुझे लगता है कि बी ही है एक्चुअली, प्रोफेशनल फिल्म क्रिटिक ही थे वो एक्चुअली एज अ प्रोफेशन।
That's the right answer, Shrija. That is the right answer. Yes. Yes. He was a huge lover of films and he actually used to write in magazines. He used to critique movies in the 60s that used to come in. One little known fact about him. Let's move on to the next category. किसकी बारी है? I think चिराग की बारी है.
जो मेरे को बिल्कुल ही नहीं समझ में आ रहा है वो चूज करना चाहूंगा, स्टार ऑफ डेविड.
All right. Do you know what Star of David is?
डेविड एक मूवी है ना,
No, Star of David is the Jewish symbol.
Jewish symbol.
ओके.
मालूम था मेरे को, मालूम था, बट इधर बोला है थोड़ा जोक वो बीच में ट्राई करने का, तो मैं वो कर रही थी, वरना मुझे मालूम है।
All right. Chirag has picked Star of David. Let's go. Govinda.
भाई
Isn't that costumes? Isn't that costumes? Oh yeah, our cabinet minister costume is here. He was the one who gave us this clip on the camera. This was his joke, which we loved, so we put on the show. Govinda, apart from leading several David Dhawan films, also led a uniquely colorful life. All right.
Can see it.
Which of the following has not happened in Govinda's life? Option A, he paid 5 lakhs for slapping a fan. Option B, he charged a dozen bananas and a coconut for acting in a film.
Wow.
Option C, he shot himself in the foot. Option D, he rejected a role in James Cameron's Avatar. Option E, his duplicate performed to a crowd of 15,000 people when he failed to show up. Or option F, he threatened to give prasad in Rajnikant style to Karan Johar. And option G, he launched his own OTT platform called Filmy Lattu. Which of these has not happened in Govinda's life?
भाई
आई थिंक सी नहीं हुआ होगा क्योंकि वो तो उसकी बीवी ने मारा था।
भाई पहले तो मैं शाउट आउट देना चाहूंगा टू आवर थर्ड सिंधी ब्रदर.
Yes.
Oh,
गोविंदा इज आल्सो सिंधी.
तो एल के अडवाणी के लिए क्यों नहीं किया यार? लाल कृष्ण जी के लिए क्यों नहीं किया भाई?
Yes, this is what happens to him. He gets ignored.
Yeah.
Yes. Very good. Thank you for pointing it out, Shamik.
My
yes.
apologies.
That is
E भी हो ही सकता है वो सब जो कर लेता है कोई भी
sorry.
जाकर
करके दिखाना एक बारी कैमरा को. Very nice.
And he's
Very nice expression.
Let's recreate what Kamba does. तू एक कोई option दे.
See?
You think Govinda would have taken a gun and pointed it at his own foot and actually pulled the trigger?
So bhai, I think I will shoot myself and go with option C.
That is the wrong answer. That's the wrong answer, Chirag. That's the wrong answer. Anybody else want to take a guess?
I remember he rejected James Cameron's Avatar, saying it's not my vibe. Thing with
Correct,
the
correct. The
movie.
Navis could not do with the yeah.
I think B. He charged a dozen bananas and a coconut for acting in a film. ये ऐसा नहीं हुआ होएगा. He would have charged his full fee if he's Sindhi. I just did it for the show, यार. I didn't mean it.
मेरे पेरेंट्स सारे एपिसोड देखते हैं.
भाई हेलो हमारे पेरेंट्स सारे एपिसोड
Sorry.
I would like to say that's the wrong answer, Shrija. That's yes, Chirag.
D है क्या
Yeah,
मतलब
That is the right answer. Yes, that actually did not happen. It did not happen,
he
guys.
said it
That was a
happened.
bullshit thing that he made up.
नहीं भाई ये सच में हुआ था कि
नहीं
उसने
भाई, नहीं भाई.
मैं बता
Okay, okay.
उसने बोला था कि
बोलेगा।
उसने बोला था उस आइलैंड में नहीं जा सकते क्योंकि वहां ना डिस्को में जा सकते हैं ना होटल में खा सकते हैं. और क्योंकि यहाँ दीवार नहीं है तो हर कोई हमें हमेशा देख सकते हैं इसलिए कहीं घूम के नहीं आ सकते हैं हम तो इश्क कहाँ लड़ाएंगे हम ये
I think that's enough for a copyright infringement. थोड़ा काट कूट के डालना, वीडियो रिवर्स कर देना ऐसे.
Stop that, यार.
But that is actually a bullshit story. Everything else was not bullshit. Everything else is actually on
Wow.
record. The James Cameron thing is obviously bullshit. The good logic and explanation, Chirag. Whose turn was it? Last two left. No, I think it's Chirag. I think Shamik's turn.
Yeah, no.
Shamik's turn to pick a category.
Yeah, yeah,
Tiger
sorry.
Shroff and White Woman left. No, I think two
Oh
are left.
my god, this is like Sophie's choice, dude. Tiger Shroff or White Women.
मैं कम से कम कैटेगरी पिक करने में तो टाइम नहीं लेती हूँ
I'll
यार.
go with Tiger Shroff. Let's go with Tiger Shroff. Let's
All
go.
right, Shamik has chosen Tiger Shroff. Let's go. Gas crisis. The gas
my
crisis,
God.
apart from something Tiger Shroff faced in front of Shraddha Kapoor, is also something India is facing as a fallout of the West Asia conflict. Surprisingly, this was predicted by an astrologer on 26th September 2025. This is the same man who predicted Nepal's Gen Z protests back in 2023. I had asked you this question the last time you were here. This is the same astrologer.
Oh.
Which of the following is another prediction made by this astrologer?
Shit.
Option A, Kejriwal will be released from prison. Option B, India's Got Latent will return for season 2. Option C, Prithvi Shaw will never make a comeback. Option D, nobody will understand the 6-7 meme. And last, Aman will get a laptop. Which of the following is another prediction made by this man?
Okay.
read it out
नहीं
for
नहीं नहीं था please. Please. इनका SD card full है already.
सारे ऑप्शन पढ़
I will go with Kejriwal will be released from prison because that seems like the only logical answer.
That's
sort
the
of.
wrong answer, Shamik. that was
shit.
very logical and very wrong.
I blame
Chirag,
myself.
You're trying to go? Yeah, Chirag, press the buzzer.
भाई पृथ्वी शॉ विल नेवर मेक अ कमबैक इसको मैं एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि आई थिंक दिस इज बिफोर 16th April.
Even though it's before 16. That's the right answer. Yes. Yes, this astrologer has made a lot of predictions. Wow, your page is really coming in handy despite having torn it. All right, the last category is left. Shrija, it is your turn to pick the last category, white woman.
Give it to me.
Okay, sounded like a Indian man in Pattaya. Let's go. Rakhi Gulzar, a serial widow and Safed Kapda enthusiast, has done many films in Indian cinema. In which of the following movies did she not play a widow?
I know this. I know this. If this is an option, I know it.
Option A, Karan Arjun.
Okay.
Option B, Ram Lakhan.
Okay.
Option C, Border. Option D, Bazigar. Option E, Dakat. Option F, Jeevan Mrityu. Option G, Jeevan Ek Sanghar. Option H, Soldier. Option I, Hamare Tumhare. Option J, Rudali. के के बाद क्या था मैं अंशुत में भूल गया हूँ अबे जे आना था जे के कर दिया कुत्ते मेरी गाड़ी बढ़ गई
JK यार JK.
Oh God, यार.
ऑप्शन जे रुडाली ऑप्शन के अनाड़ी ऑप्शन एल तपस्या एंड ऑप्शन एम खलनायक
Can I just
आप
say?
गलत वो बोल रहे हैं और उधर गलत लेटर है उस चक्कर में मेरा गलत आंसर हो गया तो Who's responsible?
Can I say seeing
तुम्हारा
this?
मर्द ही है भाई.
हर बार करता है यार ये
I'm sorry, seeing this is like the biggest brand work missed opportunity. Rekha and Ujala Supreme. Rakhi.
क्रेजी है क्रेजी राखी भाई
Can we do a pickup shot?
yeah let's take a pick up yeah
I think seeing these options.
Yeah.
I think the biggest brand work missed brand.
he's like me
सिंसियर है, वर्थ इट है जो कहे.
sincere yeah.
तू कुछ कह रहा था, कुछ मिस्ड अपॉर्चुनिटी लग रही है तेरे को इसमें.
Yeah, brand work deal between Rakhi and Ujala Supreme.
फिर भी +20 जितना अप्लॉज नहीं आया Which of these films श्रीजा तेरा क्वेश्चन था which
हाँ,
of these
मैं-
films has she not played a
तुम
widow
लोग
in
कुछ और जोक्स करने तो करो क्योंकि अब मैं सारे पढ़ने वाली हूँ ऑप्शन एक एक करके तो तुम लोग का अपना पहले खत्म करना है तो कर लो
Can we have the synopsis of all films
अरे भाई
on screen? Sorry, go ahead.
आंसर नहीं है मेरा, बस ये सुनने में फीलिंग मेरे को जीवन एक संघर्ष की आ रही है.
Seriously, dude, life without LPG is fucked. I'm struggling. Firewood.
that was a very
कैसी-
heartfelt guess but that's the wrong answer that's the
वही
wrong
यार,
answer
कैसी
चिराग
एल अनाड़ी वाली बात कर दी यार तूने अब मैं आंसर देती हूँ एक डी बाजीगर की तरह एक सेकेंड हाँ एफ जीवन मृत्यु
that's the wrong
अरे
answer
उसमें तो मृत्यु है ही.
It's the log line of the film, dude.
हाँ हमारे
ओए
तुम्हारे
मैंने बोला
Okay, हाँ चिराग नहीं
मैंने
चिराग tried चिराग yes
भाई मैं प्योरली टाइटल थोड़ा जॉली लग रहा है. हमारे तुम्हारे आई मेरा गेस्ट.
that's the wrong answer guess श्रीजा
एच सोल्जर
that's the wrong
सोल्जर में तो
answer
है एल पोमोग्रेनेट अनारी.
that's the wrong answer
पी राम लखन
that's the wrong answer
अबे यार
Oh,
yes
it's a trick question. She's a widow in all of these
no
movies.
that's the wrong answer
Well played.
एम तपस्या
that's the right answer Shrija got it
शिट यार
yes
व्हाट अ जर्नी इट हैज बीन यार
yes it's
my.
the only film she has not played a widow in because it's the one film she did not get married in yes And she won the Filmfare Award for Best Actress in this film. Yes.
And this was such a torture for her that it's called Tapasya. That's where, why am I not a widow in this one?
Yeah.
अगर ये मरने नहीं वाला है तो मुझे शादी नहीं करनी इससे.
Wow.
अरे भाई.
Wait, are we talking about movies right now or real?
Movies,
I don't know.
movies.
Clearly, it's becoming too personal. All right. At the end of round 2, Aman Jotwani, what is the points tally?
Guys, what a freakish score it is.
Okay.
Shrija and Shamik are again tied. And like Shrija has pulled from a long way back.
Thank you.
Yes. Shrija and Shamik are tied at 470. And Chirag is at 600.
Oh God.
Chirag is at 600. Now, before we move to round 3, we have a little bit of a surprise, which Rohan and I planned.
Oh.
Yes. We've done an audience round. Now it's time to do an Aman's round. Round of applause for Aman. Give it up.
Which we actually genuinely did not tell Aman about.
Oh,
This is
God.
something that Rohan and I planned.
Oh shit.
This
अमन
Rohan
राउंड
and-
मतलब हमारे फेरे हो रहे हैं क्या वापस?
So Rohan and I thought, without telling Aman, that because in this episode all 3 people have a special connection to Aman, we must do at least one more round where Aman gets to affect the game personally. So Aman, please come and be an audience member. And Rohan, please bring out the 3 boxes. Let us see. Aman ko dement shagun nahi denge hum. But Aman Jotwani, who would you like to play for from your 3 connections?
Shrija, it could be -100.
तो प्लस भी तो हो सकता है भाई. अमन.
Shrija.
Of course यार.
I'll play for Shrija. Oh man, if this is -100, I will suffer so badly, man.
Yes.
Oh
ठीक से
man.
चुनना ठीक है.
Yeah.
All right, Aman, you have decided, how shockingly, to play for Shrija.
Play for Shrija.
Which of the 3 boxes
Oh motherfucker.
would you like to choose?
This is also how he got engaged to Shrija. This same person.
Rohan plus 20. Shamika, which of the boxes?
बैटरी खत्म होने वाला है.
Don't worry, उसकी टेंशन मत ले, अभी तेरी बैटरी गाड़ लग जाएगी. Which of the boxes would you like to pick?
The middle one.
All right, Aman
I have
has
no
picked
idea.
the middle one. Rohan, do the move.
Oh, here we go.
Shit यार.
All right, Aman Jotwani, one of these 3 boxes, which one would you like to pick for Shrija?
Oh my God.
अमन come on please.
The rightmost one, that's it.
The rightmost one.
Yeah, my side.
All right.
You changed the box.
I changed the box.
Shrija, are you okay with this?
अरे फेत रख.
Yes. Go for it.
ब्रेव आदमी बोल रहा है तुझे.
ठीक है चल. फेथ रख रही हूँ मैं तेरे ऊपर.
All right,
चल.
Rohan, let us reveal.
Transfer.
They didn't tell me.
No problem. Bye. ये होता है मतलब ये बताओ लगता है हस्बैंड होएगा शो पर कुछ मेरा मुनाफा हो जाएगा ये घाटा करके चला गया.
Aman Jotwani, thanks to your loving actions towards your partner, let us re-tally the scores and see where everyone is.
First, you tell me, is there a room in your house? You and you. Oh God. Okay.
अमन
the
अगर तू
score-
दिल का अच्छा नहीं होता ना
भाई मैं एक गाना पेश कर सकता हूँ तुम लोग की सिचुएशन पे?
कर भाई
फट गई गंडिया.
साले
Aman Jotwani, what is the updated points tally?
Because of my fuck up, Shrija is at 390. Shamik is at 490. And Chirag is at 600.
All right, let's go.
Just want to remind you all, the last time Shrija was here with Bassi and Akash, she won that episode. And now, thanks to Aman Jotwani's actions, she is at the bottom of the table before we start round 3. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
This laptop is not worth it, man.
No, but we should remember that last time Shrija won, she was also third before round 3. So you never know.
You never know. You
मुझे
never know.
ऐसे झूठे और एम्प्टी कॉन्सोलेशंस देने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है इधर.
Are you guys ready to play round 3?
Round 3 is called Who Am I?, where contestants must guess which famous personality we are talking about while being blindfolded. Each contestant will get 5 hints and 3 attempts to make the right guess. They can only make 1 guess per hint. But here's the twist. Before the blindfolds are put on, each contestant must wager points from their current score in secret. If they get it right, they win the points they wagered. If they get it wrong, they lose the points. Will they play it safe or will they risk it all? Let's find out.
If you guys are playing along with us on YouTube, now is the time where you put your phone away or shut your eyes or wear a blindfold, whatever suits your fancy. All right, let us start with Chirag. All right, since he's in the lead. Chirag, the person that you have to pick is this. Chirag, clue number 1 for you. I'm bad at setting boundaries.
ये कितना है चिराग?
भाई ये बताओ, ये 16 अप्रैल का है कुछ कि उसके आगे पीछे का है?
Chirag, would you like to guess or should I give you clue number 2?
नहीं, सेकंड क्लू भी दो.
All right, clue number 2 for Chirag. My name leads to a, that's what she said. Would you like to take a guess or should I give you clue number 3, Chirag?
Clue number 3 दो.
All right, clue number 3. I am my country's Dhurandhar.
दाऊद बड़े साहब.
In a way, but that's the wrong answer. It's the wrong answer. You have 2 more clues. You have 2 more clues, Chirag. All right. Clue number 4. I've gone to war with a stand-up comic.
और शक्तिमान मुकेश खन्ना.
Also in a way, but that's the wrong answer. That's the wrong answer. All
Fuck,
right,
last.
Chirag.
हाँ, last.
I don't know how many you wagered, but this is clue number 5 for Chirag. गंजू पटेल मैं देता हूं तेल.
भाई एक बारी रिवाइज करवा दोगे एक बारी?
नहीं,
क्या
नहीं,
क्या नहीं, एक सेकंड तो रुको.
No. We'll do that. We do that with other people also.
Look at Aman trying to make up.
गंजू पटेल वॉर विद स्टैंड अप कॉमिक.
Yes.
दैट्स व्हाट शी सेड का आंसर है इसका नाम,
हाँ,
रियल नाम.
हाँ.
और
I'm bad at setting boundaries and I'm my country's Dhurandhar. These were your 5 clues, Chirag.
Damn, dude. But
This is your last attempt.
कामरा और किससे लड़ता रहता है?
ये काउंट कर दिया, ये मैं
नहीं
count
नहीं
कर
नहीं नहीं,
लूंगा।
मैंने पूछ रहा हूँ भाई, मैंने कामरा नहीं बोला.
गया,
मैंने
count हो
मैंने
गया।
नहीं बोला ही नहीं मैंने.
हो गया भाई.
एक मिनट
हो गया
नहीं हुआ.
hey, my Sindhi brother, ये क्या हो रहा है?
नहीं. Okay, good attempt at saving by Aman, but nahi, theek hai. Chirag, you can think about it. Chirag Panjwani, for all the points that you have wagered,
गंजू पटेल देता
your
हूँ तेल।
final attempt.
गया गया भाई
सेटिंग
मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ इस डाउनफॉल के लिए.
Should we give a countdown because we don't have all day?
सॉरी तो
हाँ.
फिर वो ओला भावेश
Bhavish Agarwal is the wrong answer. That's the wrong answer, Chirag. The right answer is Vladimir Putin. Vladimir Putin was the right answer. The fifth one we thought was easy. The rejected hint that we did not give you is 6000 में नहीं आऊँगा. Was the rejected Vladimir Putin hint.
भाई
All right.
मेरी जिंदगी में इससे ज्यादा उजाला कभी नहीं आया है.
All right, now it's Shamik's turn to guess. All right, Shamik's turn to guess. Shamik, the person you have to guess is this. All right, Shamik,
Yes.
clue number 1 for you. Kala Pathar.
I got it.
You got it?
Nah, are you kidding me? Let's go. What the hell? What kind of psycho would get it on that?
All right, Shamik.
Yeah.
Clue number 2 for you.
Yeah.
All right. Clue number 2 for you. I hate diesel.
Is it Dwayne The Rock Johnson?
Insane. Insane. That is an amazing guess. In all our
Bhayankar,
testing,
bhai.
nobody could fucking figure this one out. Shamik, what a crazy comeback.
you.
Second game,
Bhayankar, bhai,
amazing.
Bhayankar.
Amazing.
Madness.
Thank you.
I will take you through the other hints we had written for this guy. I am in front of a hard place. Clue number 4 was my favorite joke in this. My greatest rival is paper. We'd also written a bunch of others. My workplace sees a lot of violence. I am a music genre. And the last one, which was extra, was Sakt Londa. All right, Shamik got that one. But Shrija, you're
Yes.
still in this. All right, the person Shrija has to guess is this. All right, Shrija, clue number 1 for you. Bye bye.
ये तो बहुत इजी है, ये तो बहुत इजी है।
Yes, Shrija, would you like to guess? Shrija, would you like to guess? Or should I give you clue number 2?
You said bye bye.
Yeah.
Can you use it in a sentence, please? Aman, you gave me -100. Bye bye.
तुम लोग को आ गया क्या?
हाँ यार,
Are you kidding
मैं जो अपना
me?
छोड़ के सब आ रहे हैं मेरे को।
मैं तो सोचा खंबा ended the show.
Bye
Shrija, should I
bye.
give you clue number 2?
Yes, please.
All right, clue number 2. I'm a minority with a majority stake.
श्रीजा क्या कर रही
मुझे
है?
नहीं है भाई उतनी अकल वगैरह यार. मुझे नहीं पता है ये सब. ओके ठीक है. थर्ड.
All right, third clue for Shrija. Being my employee is every comedian's punchline.
भाई ये बता, अगर मैं श्रीजा तेरे को जिता दूं,
तो मैं तेरे को कभी कुछ नहीं बोलूंगी आगे. कभी सॉरी बोल दूंगी यार मैं तेरे को.
चल ठीक है, तो मैं हिंट दे सकता हूँ श्रीजा को?
नहीं,
अरे नहीं यार, क्या हो रहा है भाई?
रुक जा भाई, एक सेकंड
मैं तो
यार।
लंबे लोग नहीं जीतने चाहिए। कब तक स्कूल चलता रहेगा?
हम
You
साथ हैं
can
इसमें।
keep
एक
me
second।
down on the floor, but I will always.
Yes, Shrija, you're saying.
Sorry, what was the third one again?
Being my employee is every comedian's punchline.
Being my employee
Yeah,
is every comedian's punchline.
yeah.
actually मैं काफ़ी डिफरेंट टाइप के जोक्स लिखती हूँ, तो मुझे एक्चुअली उतना द यूजुअल बात।
Should I give you clue number 4, Shrija, or would you like to take a guess? Are you here, Shrija?
मुझे एक सिंकिंग फीलिंग है अपने स्टमक में कि नॉट ओनली विल आई लूज पॉइंट्स, आई विल लूज रिस्पेक्ट ऑल्सो
No.
फॉर
Shrija, you have 2 more clues.
बाय बाय
हाँ.
एवरी कॉमेडियंस पंच
Being my employee is every
सही जा रही
comedian's
सही जा रही है।
बीइंग माय एम्प्लॉई
Yes.
Every comedian's punchline, and I'm a minority with a majority stake.
आई एम अ माइनॉरिटी।
I don't know if this will make you feel better or worse, but I got it. It's Dwayne the Rock Johnson.
Shrija, should I give you clue number 4?
यस
All right, clue number 4 for Shrija. Carom ramanu, juice pivanu, maja nahi life.
Damn good, yaar. Damn good. मजा आ गया. I love.
रतन टाटा।
You can now remove your blindfolds, guys. Oh shit, look at the sigh of relief on fucking Aman's face. God damn. The last clue for Ratan Tata we had written was Cyrus made me a bakra.
Nice.
Some economic jokes.
So good, yeah.
All,
So good.
all right.
good, yeah.
भाई पता है
व्हाट
मुझे
अ क्रैक ना।
What a crack, yeah. Great crack.
somehow लगा था कि मैं उतारूंगा और सेट चेंज होकर अंधा प्यार लग गया होगा।
On that note, let us reveal to the camera in front of you, one after the
We
other.
will start with Chirag.
Yes, मैं पहले बताता हूँ भाई। मैं
How
I
many
have
points have you wagered?
400.
Chirag has wagered 400, which means
He
his
is at
total
200.
right now is 200. Okay, not bad. He's still in this thing. 200 points.
In what?
for
In the
Chirag.
room?
In the room. 200 points for Chirag. All right. Shamik, how many points did you wager? Let us see in front of the camera.
I had 490 points, if I'm not mistaken.
yes.
And to save my dignity, I wagered 489. Thank you so
What
much.
is that total? It's above 900.
979.
979 points for Shamik.
Thank you so
Not
much.
bad at all. All right. And on that note,
Here's the twist, guys. Here's the
श्रीजा
twist.
लिखना ही भूल गई थी।
मैंने भेजे किया 390 प्लस चिराग्स 500। सोचो यार, थैंक यू सो मच गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच यार। दिस इज फकिंग इट्स विक्ट्री यार। शुरुआत कहीं से भी करे।
390, above her 390, which makes her total 780. In second place, Shrija, not bad. Dignity has been preserved. Winner, Shamik Chakravarti, yes.
Congratulations, Shamik. You've won a Love Locket Valentine's gift for that special someone with rave reviews like, "She broke my heart and I threw it in the ocean. It's great, but girlfriend broke up with me. And bottom of the hearts are sharp and will cut you."
And that's it for this episode of Demench Presents The Nation Wants to Guess. Please log on to demench.com and check out all the innerwear that you would like. They're India's most premium men's innerwear. Thank you very much for being a lovely audience. Appreciate you guys. Thank you.